Hey guys, what I wanted to do first was just go over a couple things that you guys can do just in general that will help get a site to rank. They're very standard things. And then I'm going to touch on a couple other aspects because I know you guys got a unique niche here. So without further ado, I'll just jump in. So the number one thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking a website is content. They're generally looking for about 1,500 words or so of content on any given page or on any given website in order to determine what that website is about and find the keywords that's inside the website that people are searching for to kind of link them together. So it's very important to make sure that you have enough content on your page that Google understands what your website is about, and also enough to have those keywords put in there such that it's not overwhelming, right? You can't just have the keyword that everybody's searching for 15 times over. So there's got to be enough flow and it's got to read right. So that's very important. So we got a key term here. I did concrete countertops in Lexington, Kentucky. There's about 20 to 50 people searching this a month. These are, approximate average values. Different tools give you different things, and I've got multiple up here. So it's a range between there. In order to get up here at the top, of course, you've got the standard ads. You can pay to get up here. This is not a bad idea if you want to just get an influx of customers pretty quick. And what's nice about ads is you can turn them on and off, so you don't have to worry about overdoing it. For this particular keyword search, there's not a map pack. You only got this one guy coming up here, which is interesting because that means you can kind of beat this guy out. As soon as you start trying to attack this particular phrase, you'll be able to get up here. They don't have a great review. Anyways, ranking up here in the map pack is the number one thing comes to citations, which is just your name, address, phone number, business URL being listed in a directory. And a directory is like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, basically anywhere somebody can go to get a list of businesses that perform your service. So you're going to want to have a lot more citations in your competition. The next biggest thing in ranking in the map pack is actually ranking in the organics, which is the first couple spots up here on the page. So we're going to circle back here in a second to see how else you can rank up here other than just good content. So I had another search here I just wanted to pull up because countertops, Lexington, Kentucky. I know you guys don't do just all countertops, but if you do start targeting this keyword, you'll be put in front of people who don't necessarily know that they actually want a concrete countertop. So just food for thought. You might be able to target other things like this as well. So I did pull up some of your competition here just to see what they've got going on. This is an actual from the countertop lace. I would say it's not very strong competition. They don't have a lot of content on their site. They do have a call to action, which is something you guys should definitely do on the top of your page. You want some kind of form fill out or some kind of tell people what they need to do right away to get to you. So this guy does concrete countertops, also doesn't have too much content, and it's definitely beatable. We also did this guy here, very similar websites, but a little bit more content. Anyways, so this tool here is called Ahrefs. What it does is allows me to look behind the scenes on what is going on, like how many things are linking to you. So it looks like you guys have a decent backlinking profile. A backlink is a link from one website to another. So if someone writes a blog about you guys saying you're doing excellent work, that will show up here. You got these two scores. UR is the URL trust rating. So it's, if you think of it as Google believing what your site says it is, so they believe you actually do woodworking, so that's good. The higher this number, the better. Both of these scores are out of 100. Generally, locally, you're looking at 30s, 40s are typical. The DR is your power rating, or how popular you are. So not all backlinks are the same. If you've got an unpopular website sending you a link, that's not going to help your scores here. But if you have a news station or a magazine writing an article about you, that's going to drive these numbers up drastically. So I was looking at your competition here. They're they're ranking and they don't have as good of a backlinking power as you do. So it's good news for you. It should be easier to rank with some added content to your site. And then I would just go in and recommend adding some backlinks that have the right anchor text. And all that means is the actual thing that you click on, what it says. You want it to be a keyword. And if you do that, that's going to help you guys rank a lot quicker as well. So just to kind of recap on ranking your site and getting you in that map pack, you're going to want to add content to your site. Make sure you got the right keywords in there. And you're going to want a page per service. The way you guys have it broken down now, you're not going to get the value of being found for all these individual things. So you're going to want a page for each of these things so you can rank for that particular topic. And I know you have a couple other things on here that, you know, like concrete countertops is not in here. You're going to want to add that as well. So content, citations, and backlinks will go a long way. So I did look up the Etsy. I didn't find any data to back up anything, just some opinions. So, you know, some people said that it worked and some people said that it didn't and they had better luck with just direct ads. So, you know, I know that's not very helpful because it's, you know, well, not really given any direction. So apologize for that, but that data is everything and there was not enough there for me to make a clear winner. So I apologize for that. But I'd love to get with you guys and just hear what you think and answer any questions and see if we can help each other out. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative and we'll talk soon. Thanks.